How to upload high quality videos on TikTok. This is a step-by-step guide, so you should be able to follow easily. Now by default, you are already uploading high quality videos on TikTok, but sometimes problems can occur. One of the problems that might happen is the lower quality videos. Now this can happen if you are not connected to a stable internet connection. So you can just go ahead and make sure that you are connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. Right after that, if you're using your mobile data, you can just head over to the three lines at the top right corner of your screen, and from here you can just go ahead and click on settings and privacy. Now inside settings and privacy, you want to scroll down and you want to navigate through data saver. You can just go ahead and make sure that this option is disabled, because if you are connected to your data and try uploading videos on TikTok, this can go ahead and lower the resolution of the video that you are uploading. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time, and as always, thank you.